chain, I kind of touched it up a bit with that little diamond bit I got. Yeah, I got my tuning screwdriver, so we're gonna tune her up a bit, guys. Get her going. Here we go. Just cutting good now. You know what? The sharpener's not bad, guys. I mean, that was not bad. I just went over the rakers because the rakers were too high. So I think that's probably what it was. But yeah, nice saws, guys. Lots of fun. You'll notice the videos I have of my steels. They a lot of like the lower, like the 20s, the 30s. No, like the 38's good, but some of the 30s, they got no torque, man. And these McCullochs, these 10s, they got tons of torque. You could take like the 2 logs I have on there, and if I had a tune proper, it would have ate through it, no problem. But really nice saws, guys. All right, there you go. Quick little video. Got her going. Have a good day, guys.